Let's be honest, search is changing and it's not in your favor. You type a question and the AI spits out the answer. No clicks, no visits, just your traffic disappearing into a chatbot's paragraph. But here's the twist. That answer could have come from your site. And when it does, it's not a loss, it's a win. Stick with me and I'll show you how to get quoted, ranked, and remembered even when nobody clicks. I'm Marius, I run Digital Flowcraft, and the content I touch, it shows up in AI answers every single day. This isn't theory, this is the actual playbook, and you're getting it right now. 5 steps, no fluff. You'll learn what AEO is, how AI decides who to quote, proof it's already working, tactics to make your content citation worthy, and what's coming next. And yeah, I've got a cheat sheet for you at the end, PDF, yours to keep. Most people are still chasing blue links. That's game over. AEO, Answer Engine Optimization, is about being in the answer, not next to it. If someone searches, how do I fix a leaky faucet, and the response pulls from your content, you just own that query, even if they never visit your site. Featured snippets with a warm-up. AEO is the main act. Time to step into the spotlight. Okay, so here's how the sausage gets made. 1. Crawling. AI scans your site. 2. Trust check. Experience, expertise, authority, and trust. No signal, no quote. 3. Chunking. Your content gets sliced into digestible pieces. 4. Matching. It pairs chunks with the query. Short, sharp, fact-rich chunks rise to the top. 5. Answer time. The clearest, most trustworthy lines get pulled in. Only 3 sources usually make the cut. Everyone else gets left behind. Still leading with the founder's backstory? That's dead weight. Just cut it. Okay, so let's talk real results. Forbes trimmed their explainer content. Tight paragraphs, clear headers, strong facts. That got them 236,000 visits from Perplexity in just 1 month. Profix, a SaaS company, rewrote their homepage headline to one crisp sentence. Profix automates budget consolidation for finance teams. ChatGPT picked it up 3 weeks later. This stuff moves fast. Make your pages work for bots and humans. Start strong. Your first 100 words should deliver the full answer. Use headers that ask questions. Follow with direct, clear responses. Keep paragraphs lean, 2 to 4 sentences max. Break instructions into numbered steps. Structure is everything. Add FAQ and how-to schema. It's metadata gold. Check robots.txt. Make sure GPT-bot has access. Use real author names, link to real sources, and show that you're credible. Keep your publish dates fresh. And please, ditch the buzzwords. Say what your product actually does. Here's a quick gut check. If someone lands on your homepage, can they figure out what you do in 1 sentence? If not, fix it right now, tonight. AI-driven search is still small, around 0.1% of traffic. But it's growing fast. And zero-click queries? They're rising like a tide. Soon, a big chunk of searchers won't visit any site. That makes your content showing up in the answer even more important than ever. Expect Search Console to start tracking AI impressions. Expect stricter fact-checking. Low-quality content just gets cut out. And get ready for voice answers to become a thing. Your copy needs to sound good out loud. This is compound visibility. Get in early and the benefits stack. Wait too long and you'll be catching leftovers. Want the full checklist? Links below, grab the PDF. If you're serious about visibility, hit subscribe.
Smash that like button.